Alright, so today I'm going to go over how to create a schedule on the Honeywell T6. So the first thing, you're going to want to get it installed, make sure that everything is running correctly, and after you do that, you're going to go down here to the menu button. When you go to the menu button, you're going to click select on the schedule part, but actually, before I do that, something I always suggest is to go scroll over to the left a little bit and go to reset. And reset the schedule. The reason I say to do that is just to be safe, just in case there was a schedule already on there. Everything has been removed. Next, you're going to go to the menu tab, select, and it's going to start off with a Monday, Friday wake. What that means is, when do you wake up? What temperature do you want the thermostat to heat at? So if it drops down to 70, it's going to start heating up. And what temperature do you want it to cool at? And so we have 78 here as the temperature we want it to cool at. Now, what I always suggest at this point is you want to at least make it a 4 degrees difference. If it's too close, I've seen errors and issues happen. So I just give it at least just a 4 degree difference. But that would be the wake tab. You'd tap here if you want to change the time. Just right there. And here's the other ones that it asks you for. And of course, save. It goes through Monday, Friday, away. So when are you going to leave? You're going to leave at 8. You're going to want these temperatures a little bit farther apart, as you can see there. That way you can save some energy. And the next one it's going to ask you is home. When are you going to be arriving? So 6 p.m. You want the house nice and hot when you get there. And then sleep. When are you going to bed and when is the temperature changing? It also has Saturday, Sunday, same as before. Waking up. Away, when are you leaving? Home, when are you coming back? And then sleep. Now the Honeywell, it doesn't really give you multiple options. If you have a 9 to 5, this is probably great for you. But if you have a different schedule, it's going to be a little bit harder creating that here in the thermostat. But if you've decided on a schedule and created it, it's as simple as clicking the on button down here on the bottom right. You'll just re-click that. It'll say on, and you'll go back, and then that has turned on the schedule for you for the Honeywell T6. You can see it there on the top, following schedule. So yeah, that's how you set it up. Let me know if you have any questions, comments about how it works.